that is their upsell was $2,500. And that is a lot of money. It's a lot of money, especially for a beginner, someone that's new, that's just wanting to kind of figure out, even if this is for them, right? So that is where my journey started. I'm very grateful that I came across that opportunity. I did learn throughout the process of, just kind of diving into multiple courses, because I love that opportunity and I love the idea, but I had to find a product, because what happens is, as an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer, which is what I am now, you have to have a product. Okay. And depending on what you're passionate about or what you want to market around, you need that product. And guys, there are a lot of products out there, but the thing that you need is education. You need education. So you can go out and find a product, right? Or you can create your own product. You can market whatever you're passionate about. You can literally build a business around anything you love to do. However, you have to have education, okay? Because if you don't know how